Hey, it's Cannon from NFT Art Generator, and today I'm going to demo deploying an NFT collection on the Solana blockchain using nft-generator.art. After you have your art, the deployment process does not cost anything beyond gas fees. We do, however, take a 4.9% commission fee on initial sales of NFTs during the minting phase, which is a generous offering given the utility of our product. The first thing you're going to need to do is log in with your Web3 wallet. So you're going to click up here. Log in, select what wallet you're going to use. For a Solana, we're going to be using Phantom. Just approve, and head to your account. If you have a MetaMask wallet, you can connect it in your profile, or vice versa, you can connect your Phantom wallet to your MetaMask profile. Next, we need the art we're going to deploy in our collection. So we're just going to go to the generator. And I've already set up a generator that's going to be creating the art for this collection. You can open this up. This is using the advanced mode to create these little dinosaur characters. And also characters that are in eggs. For more information on how to generate your collection, I've linked to our video on the advanced mode and the regular mode. At any point, I can preview the entire collection, getting a chance to look at all of the NFTs in it, and I can also sort by the traits they have, and I can randomize the trait data. And once I've reviewed it and I like all the NFTs, I can click Generate this set. On the payment page, you get one last review of the metadata. Make sure you like it. You can rebounce. It's always an option. Then you fill out your payment info. Click Purchase. And then the collection will be added to your profile, which you can see in your account. After a little while, you can see that my collection has appeared on my account page. And I can go ahead and get ready to deploy a contract. To do so, I'll need to create a project. Click Create. And click Create a Smart Contract. I'll select my collection. I'll do Solana, Mainnet, click Continue. This will automatically open your contract setup page. In a couple steps, all you have to do is set up your metadata, upload to IPFS, and deploy your smart contract. After which, you will receive a minting button SDK, which you can add to your website for people to mint directly from your website, and interact with your smart contract, changing the price and other variables. Setting up the metadata is really quick and easy. All you have to do is input into these boxes your collection name, your description, a website that you want to link to, the name of each NFT, the symbol, the royalty points. This 500 points is 5%, and the addresses that the royalties should be paid out to. You can also add other creators if you have multiple people on your team, and decide what share they should get. Once I'm done with that, I can click Continue. The next step is to upload to a decentralized storage, in this case IPFS. You can see your metadata formatting here. And once you're okay with that, you can click Upload. This will take a little while to complete, and it cannot be undone, so make sure you are certain about your metadata and your art. As soon as the upload to IPFS is done, you will be automatically moved on to the deployment step. Here you can set your mint price and agree to the terms and conditions, including the 4.9% commission fee upon minted NFTs. We also are working to add a reveal later feature, which will be in currently closed beta, but hopefully in the next 2 weeks we can bring this to the public for anyone to launch Solana NFT collections with reveal later NFTs. Next, I will have connected my wallet and transfer the required amount of Solana, depending on the size of my collection, to a treasury address, which will be used to deploy the smart contract. And click here, approve transaction. As soon as that transaction is complete, you can see that my treasury account balance is now the balance required, and I can deploy my smart contract to Solana. Click OK. This can't be undone, and deployment will begin. Just a short while later, I've come back to see that my deployment has been a success and has automatically moved me on to page 4, which is the embeddable mint button. This is a button you can add to your website for people to be able to connect their wallet and mint one of your NFTs. Here's the code for the SDK you can actually add to your website. If I click continue, it'll take me on to page number 5. This is the important page where you'll interact with your contract. I've connected my wallet and I can see the current status of the sale. Right now it's open. I can change the mint price and click save. I can see how many have been minted, the max supply. I can verify the contract or withdraw funds. I also am able to apply and open and close a sale for an allow list. All I have to do is enter addresses here and open and close the sale and click save. When it is open and you just want the allow list members to be able to mint, you should have the regular sale closed. In the future on this page, we will have the reveal later capability as well as airdrop for future contracts. Back at the project page, there are 2 other important things you need to know for launching your collection. The first is our free hosted page for minting buttons, and the second is our premium whitelist and raffle invite page. The hosted page can be used to show off your project. You can give it a title, content, launch date, socials, but the most important part is it can serve as a place to put your minting button if you don't have. Our whitelist and raffle manager and collector tool requires the community pass to use, which can be purchased and found on our pricing page. The tool allows one to quickly and easily set up a registration page for people to join your allow list, given that they fulfill requirements that you can set. These rules can be such as following, liking and retweeting a specific tweet, having a specific role in your Discord server, which we can check with our Discord bot, having a specific minimum balance in their wallet on Ethereum or Solana, and when that occurs, they'll be able to register and be added to the members list. This can easily be exported and added to your collection, or if you have too many, you can raffle away the spots to a certain number of winners. A more in-depth video on the allow list, collector, and registration page coming soon. Make sure to follow our Twitter and join our Discord linked in the description. We have lots of exciting updates and news we are sharing in the next coming weeks. You won't want to miss out on giveaways that we announce where you can win free collection generations as well as passes to use on our platform. That's all for now. Thank you.